And well, the Supreme Court has reserved its judgment on a plea seeking 100% verification of VVPATs for elections. The court said that petitioners cannot be critical and suspicious of everything and added that increasing voter turnout shows public's faith in the electronic voting machines. Now, these comments followed of submissions that were made by the Election Commission. The Election Commission, to begin with, has trashed the suggestion that was made by the petitioners that VVPAT receipts need to be handed over to the persons in question, to the voters in question. The Election Commission raised two red flags. Number one, said that one can only imagine the mischief that can be created once these receipts are allowed to go outside the polling booth. That's one. And the second concern that the Election Commission raised is that handing over these receipts will then raise questions about the secrecy of the entire voting exercise. Not just that, the Election Commission was also critical of these suggestions and allegations regarding the operation of EVMs coming at this stage, saying that a lot of times the timing of these arguments and allegations is meant in a way that will defeat the electoral process, that will undermine this electoral process. And finally, the Election Commission also said that over the last very many years, over 4 crore VVPAT receipts have been matched, and not a single case, not a single incident of a mismatch has come to light, has surfaced, and therefore the current system which is in place is safe, is secure, and should be proceeded with as per current status quo. Now, importantly, the Apex Court has reserved its judgment. All eyes now on the top court to give clarity whether or not there is any modification required to the current VVPAT scheme, whether receipts need to be given, whether there needs to be an increase in the number of VVPAT verification. All of those aspects the Apex Court will now have to dwell on and give its final judgment. But that, of course, is for a later date. For now, let's shift our